Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. We continue our monitoring system about COVID-19. In this part, we gonna focus on Grafana. So first you have to download the zip file from the site of Grafana. In this part, we gonna see how to run Grafana, how to connect Grafana to MySQL, and how to create dashboards and charts. So for this, when you download Grafana, you will get the zip file. You have to unzip the file. Then we get this folder. In this folder, to run Grafana, you have to go to bin Grafana server. Okay, so I will run Grafana. Okay, now it's run. So we go to browser. Then you have to put, well, okay, localhost. The port is 3000. So here we are logged in Grafana. The default username is admin and the password is admin. Again, here we can define a new password of admin, so I will make my password. Save. Okay, here we are in Grafana. So the first thing to do is to add the data source. So here we will connect our database with Grafana. So here we have multiple choices. For us, we choose MySQL. So I will select MySQL. Here, this is default localhost. The port is 3306. The name of my database, as we saw in the last video, is COVID-19. I put database name COVID-19. Okay, the password, the username is root. I have to put my password. Okay, then I connect. Okay, database connection. Okay, then I will create. We will create two dashboards. One dashboard to see the statistics, world statistics, and another dashboard by country. We will start by the dashboard by country. So we come here, dashboard. Okay, this is my new dashboard. I will name it here. So I will give this name COVID-19 country. So we will see stats by country. Okay, then we have to create a variable. So when we select this variable, so we can get the data by country. So I will add a variable which is country. Okay, it's a query from where is from data source is MySQL database. So I will get the list of the countries. So I will make just a simple select query, which is we will try it in HeidiSQL, then we will go to Grafana. Yes, select distinct distinct country from my table world COVID-19. That's it. I will copy this and paste it in Grafana. Okay, this is my query. I will make an order by country. So the name of my variable is country. This is the data. Okay, go here. Don't have. So here we have all the countries. I will make add. Okay, so we have our variable. I will save my dashboard. So here we have my dashboard COVID-19 by country. Here I have my variable. which is country, so we can't choose any country. Then we will add new chart. So first we have to add query. Here this is like a example to create a query using commands. So I will use the text mode. So here the syntax used by Grafana. Have just here to change time column by my time column, which is day. Okay, then this day as time, and for the first chart I will print the total cases and infection rate together. So I will choose here the second one is total cases, and the third one is infection rate. Okay, from my table, which is world COVID-19, where here condition, in the condition we will make condition on the country. So country equals my variable. So when we change this, we have to see change in we have to see changes on our charts. So we have to make like this, and dollar, and my variable name country, then order by day, by time. Okay, here there is nothing because we have put last 6 hours. I will make last 6 months, for example, and here we have our data. Then we will try to play on visualization. For me, I will choose this. Okay, so we can add here series. So we have total cases and infection rate. So for total cases, I will make it as bars like this. Then I will no fill, so 0. Lines false. I get off lines, and maybe I can change the color. Color change, make blue, for example. Okay, you can customize here. You have multiple colors. Okay, for the second one, infection rate. Okay, I make it as line. Okay, fill, no fill. Okay, then I will add points like this, and I will put it on the y axis. Okay, so here we have the infection rate, and here we have the number of cases. Okay, I can choose the name of my panel here. Name of my panel, I will say total cases country. Okay, then I don't have alerts, so here I can save. I will save current time range. Okay, save. I go back to last 6 months. Okay, so here I have my data. When I change, for example, let's see Algeria. So we have here by country, total cases by country. When we change here, we see some change. For example, in Aruba, we don't have data since 19 March. Okay, and for example, Barbara or Belgium, you can see here the trend of total cases. Okay, I will add another panel to print the total deaths and total recovered. So to simplify, I will just make duplicate here, and I will change the query and the name of the panel. For the query here we put total cases, so I will put total deaths and deaths rate. Okay, it's the same. We can change the colors. Here I will change this. I will put total deaths, and here I put death rate. Okay, we can change colors, so I can put green here and make color, for example, red. Yeah. For panel name, I will put deaths, total deaths country. Okay, and I will save my panel and dashboard. When we're gonna see our dashboard, yeah, I will just choose here 6 months. Go, and I will choose, for example, Algeria. Here we can find the total cases by country, so it's Algeria, and here the total deaths. I will add another panel. Okay, I'll just make duplicate. Okay, this new panel, we gonna put the total recovered, and recovered recovered rate. Okay, also I will change the data here, so total recovered and recovered rate. Okay, I will change color, recovered, so it's in green, and here color change, maybe I see orange or white, for example. Okay, then I will change the panel name, so total recovered by country. Okay, then I will save. Maybe I save current variable values as dashboard values. Save, and that's it. Okay, now I can see my dashboard. I have just to change time. I will put last 6 months. Okay, I have to choose the country. Okay, here I can save with the current variable values as dashboard values. Okay, so now I don't have to change the time, or I don't have to change country. Here when we change the country, for example, I'm in Italy. So here in Italy we can see the trend of COVID-19 as follows. So the total cases by country. So we have Italy here, and also we can change the name of the panel. We can add the exact name of the country like this here, total cases. So I can add here dollar country, my country. Okay, and we can see here Italy. Okay, so I have to change this for all the panels. So I have to choose here. Yeah, so we have here total cases Algeria, and total recovered country. So I have to change here the name. We have to add here my variable name dollar country, and we can see the change here. Okay, 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 so I will put Albany. I will make last 6 months, and I have to save my dashboard. And when I come again, we have Albania. Okay, last 6 months. Okay, for example, Afghanistan, we have all this. Here we have total cases Afghanistan, total deaths Afghanistan, and here we can change also with adding dollar country as my variable name. Okay, okay, save dashboard, save. Okay, COVID-19. Make 6 months. I have to choose the country, for example, Germany. Here we have total cases Germany, total deaths Germany, and total recovered. So here, this is my first dashboard, COVID-19 by country. I will add a new dashboard with for world statistics. I have to add the query, so I will use edit text. So here I will do some manipulation on the values because I have only the statistics by country. I add day here, and for example total cases, I will make sum of total cases. I will give a name as world total cases. Okay, from my table world COVID-19, I take this. I have to add group by day and order by day. Okay, here I have to change to make last 6 months. Okay, so here I have the trend of total cases since 22nd January 2020. Okay, then we have to manipulate our chart. So I will add series override. So we have all total cases. So I make lines, line fill 0. Then I will add points true. Then maybe I keep I can change the color also. A color change. I make it red for like this. Okay, then the panel name world COVID-19 total cases. Okay, so I can save my dashboard. I call it COVID-19 world. Okay, save. I saved my dashboard. So to simplify, I will just make duplicate. Here I will add the total deaths. Okay, we have to change here word total deaths, and I can change the color like in blue, for example. Then panel name is world COVID-19 total cases, so we will change here total deaths. Okay, I can save my dashboard, and that's it. Then this is my dashboard. So here we have total cases, total deaths. I will add another one more, duplicate. So this one is totally recovered. So here we have total deaths. So we have the total recovered, total recovered. Recovered. Okay, here we have the class. So I have to change here total recovered. Maybe I will change it. I will let it in green, I will change the panel name total recovered. Okay, then I will save changes like this. So here we finish our two dashboards. So we have dashboard by country and we have dashboard by world. So in the world, so this is the trend of COVID-19. Here we have the total cases, total deaths, and total recovered. And in our country dashboard, so we have all this data. So we can choose a specific country to see how COVID-19, how the propagation of COVID-19. Then you can choose here any country and you will get the charts. So we have here total cases, infection rate, for example, or total cases. So this is our two dashboards. I finished here the creation. So if you have any questions, so just you can send me an email. You will find the email in the description or just comment. I have two videos. The first one it explains the monitoring system global vision. The second one we talked about MySQL. In the first part we talked about MySQL, how to create the database and how to insert data into it. In this part, we talked about Grafana, how to connect Grafana to MySQL and how to create dashboards and add different charts. In the next video, the third part, it will be on Python, how to make a script that inserts data from CSV files into MySQL database. And for this, we can have a whole monitoring system. I hope you enjoy. So if you have any question, just send me an email or comment. So please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.